guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you how to authorize a representative in your CRA individual account. So individual meaning this would be your personal account where you would see your personal tax returns, T4s, etc. So to do this, you just need to go to this login page, and I will link this down below. And then for your personal account, you just need to click My Account. So click this, and then whichever way you sign in, use that. I'm going to click this because this is the way that I sign in. So enter your user ID and your password, and then click Sign In. And then click Next. So this one is the new look of the CRA, so they kind of changed where everything is. If you have the old look, you will need to look for something that says profile on the top middle, okay? It's going to be in here. It will say profile. So since this is the new look, you are going to click profile over here on the top left. So click profile. Once you're in here, scroll down. Under authorized representatives, click add. And then once you do that, just click start. Enter whatever rep ID, group ID, or business number they gave you. So I'm just going to paste that over here. Click next. And the authorization level that they would need is level 2. So if you want this person to file taxes on your behalf, you are going to give them level 2 authorization. Click yes to online access. And most of my clients, we don't put expiry dates, again, because I am their regular bookkeeper or their tax preparer. So this doesn't expire for my firm. So most of my clients will just leave this blank and then click next. And then after that, just say confirm and then click submit. And then once that's there, you should see the firm that you authorized down here. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.